Meaning of hoarfrost.
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 Hoarfrost. Hoarfrost is a type of frost that forms on calm, clear nights when the temperature drops below freezing. It appears as delicate, feather-like crystals that grow on surfaces such as trees, grass, and metal, giving them a white, icy appearance. Hoarfrost occurs when water vapor in the air directly deposits onto a surface as ice crystals, unlike other forms of frost that occur from water droplets freezing on surfaces. The term hoar comes from an Old English word for gray, which describes the frost's gray-white color.